So my friends, welcome to a new Cardano update video. At the moment, we're trading here at 82 US cents and people have been asking, Manu, I bought Cardano. How much higher can we go now and how far could we fall again and where should I maybe even take profits? I'll definitely try to answer all of that for you in today's update video, of course, according to my own opinion. Let's see how more high Cardano can still rise. But before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you could already give the video a like, subscribe, and of course feel free to activate the bell so you get notified. And if you're still interested, you can also feel free to join the free Telegram Talk and Signal group. There you'll always get the latest news and updates, of course, including when new videos or new trades are coming up. And if, for example, you still want to buy Cardano, you can do all of that on my partner exchange, Binjix. At the moment, you can get up to 11,500 USDT in bonuses here that you can claim. Just sign up using the link below in the video description. And then, for example, register, complete KYC or whatever else is required. So, Cardano, 82 US dollar cents. You have to say the last few weeks have been really bullish for the altcoins. So anyone who bought at the bottom can already be happy. With Cardano, with a temporary 70% gain and still a 60% gain right now. We are clearly in an uptrend. At the very least, we are forming higher highs and higher lows in this trend. And for now, we have broken through this interim high. That is already a positive sign to the upside. And to answer the first question, where should I take profits? If I bought in down there, then slowly but surely the opportunity arises to take profits up here in this area where we also had this red box drawn in just like we marked it in the last video. This is the area between 87 US cents or 88 US cents and 94 US cents. That's where the golden pocket is located. That means from our last sell-off at $1.17 down to our correction low at 51 US cents. That's where the golden ratio lies. And that's why it's called the golden pocket. And there's still a small inefficiency there. We have a supply zone. That means this entire area up here is actually perfect for selling or taking some profits. Not selling all in, maybe not that, but at least taking some profits. And if you bought in down here at the low, you are definitely in a very good position here. If we look at it again from down here up to the top, that's 74% or even 90% to the very top that you could have made with Cardano or where you could have treated yourself to some profits. As long as this trend remains intact, everything is fine. Otherwise, I still maintain my overall view. I'm telling you honestly, I still think we're missing one last dump here. Of course, we're still in a downtrend here. You all need to be aware of that. We've had massive wicks that were bought up. There's still one down here that bothers me a bit, but well, let's leave it at that for now. As long as we don't break above the $1.17 mark up here, we're officially in a downtrend because that's the last truly significant high. Sure, we've managed a more trend reversal here. That's good, but as long as we haven't broken above this level, this is really our final boss. Final boss number 1, the golden pocket. Final boss number 2, the $1.17. If we get rejected up here, which I currently expect to some extent, that could then lead to a break in the short-term trend, and we might still reach our target zone down here of roughly 46 to 43 US cents and only then see another big altcoin season. That could happen very quickly. We know with Bitcoin that we've had enormous pumps in the last few days. We know with Ethereum that we had a 56% pump. It can happen so quickly that the altcoins just crash downward. It can happen so fast that we can't even react or get into any short positions. That's why it's never a bad idea, especially now after 60, 70, 80, or even sometimes 100% pumps in the last few days to just take some profits. It doesn't hurt you. Of course, maybe you'll be annoyed and think, okay, oh damn, if only I had sold 100% higher. Well, that's just how it is. Would you really have sold 100% higher? Ask yourself this question. Is your mind strong enough to handle that? Yes or no? That's why what I'm saying here is always just advice from me was how I personally did it because it simply frees my mind. I don't have to worry anymore. Okay, I take out my initial investment after 100% and after that I couldn't care less where it goes. Let it go to the moon, let it go down. I really don't care at all. Once my initial investment is out, I'm no longer stressed about this coin and don't have to check it every day. If it pumps, okay, then I'll just take a bit of profit again. Or maybe buy in again or something like that. That's really what it's all about. Don't take it the wrong way when I say, yeah, here, and then it could possibly go down or something like that. Only when we get above that, the next step is 1.17, 1.18, and then we can move up here towards 1.32 or even higher. I still don't see prices like 120 or 121 happening. I'm just telling you how it is. There's still too little euphoria for that, clearly. We have Bitcoin dominance, which is currently declining and so on. Capital is also flowing into altcoins. That's good. Still, from a macroeconomic and global perspective, I don't think we're about to see an extreme altcoin season at the moment. It's nice that we're having a rally right now. The question is, how long will it last? And that's something you should just pay a bit of attention to at the moment. Down here remains within the buying zone. 47.2, as I said, 43 US cents. The next one is only down here at 30 US cents and lower. I'm sticking to that. I simply won't buy any more Cardano before that. If anyone managed to buy down here, okay, great. But otherwise, that's my strategy. And I won't be changing that for now either. Feel free to share your opinion. Are you invested in Cardano? Did you buy during the dip? Are you still buying now? I'd just be interested to know. And if you have any other altcoins, feel free to write them in the comments below as well, so I know which altcoins you'd like to see covered. Otherwise, that's it from my side again. Thank you for listening. Thank you very, very much. And yes, see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, Jesse, and as always, stay crypto.